Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else.
Friends, welcome to another video on your channel Profit and Equities. If you like our content, please don't forget to hit the like button. Also subscribe to our channel, click on the bell button and choose all notifications to receive important financial updates from our channel at the earliest. Now, as per the June 2018 shareholding pattern, Radhakishan Damani's firm, Damani Estate and Finance Private Limited, has increased his shareholding in a diversified media company from 1.08% to 1.5% during the last quarter. This represents an increase of 2.5 lakh shares during the recent quarter to take the total holding to close to 8.96 lakh shares. Please watch this video to know more. Now, the company in question is TV Today Network Limited, and this is also adored by another great stock picker from India, who is Ramesh Damani. Now, the price for this particular company is 422.95 and the face value for it is 5. The symbol for it is TV, TODAY. Now, TV Today Network Limited is a holding company. The company is engaged in television programming and broadcasting activities. The company is diversified and operates in various markets such as television, digital media and radio. Now, if you were to look at the 1 year chart, you would see that this company has been on a beautiful uptrend for the major part of the year, but of late this has been correcting. The market cap of the company indicates that this is a mid-cap stock, as the market capitalization is 2,523.37 crores. The company is available at a decent and probably a cheap price to earnings ratio of 21.49 when compared with the industry PE of 32.53. The price to book is also not very expensive and stands at 3.37. The dividend yield provided by the company is 0.47, whereas the promoter holding is above average at 57.41. Now friends, please don't consider this to be a recommendation on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all the other information that you see on this channel are intended to be pieces of news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so.